Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Urban Kimchi in collaboration with RC Samgyupsal. So, if you notice on our table, guys, nope, this is not a sushi pan. This is, let me quote it correct, no? This is what they call Cheesy-Baked Samgyupsal Kimchi Rice. In a simpler term, this is a samgyupsal with kimchi rice and then bake it with a cheese on top. Bake it on cheese on top. On a usual serving, you have your nori wrapper. So for the price of 450 pesos, you get this one large pan of this samgyupsal kimchi rice with baked cheese plus 2 packs of nori. Alright, so let's cut into the chase. Let's get into the details, guys. So we have our nori wrapper dito, and then we have a portion of the kimchi, samgyupsal kimchi. So mind you guys, yung rice natin is just not the plain steamed rice. This is a kimchi rice. And then on top yung mga mga samgyupsal meat bits plus cheese. So let's taste it. Oh, wow. Parang nakalimutan ko yung tradition ko actually, guys. I was supposed to, taste this without the nori wrapper. But then again, yeah, let's since pwede naman natin siyang gawin, let's taste it without the nori wrapper. Wow. I knew it. This is so cheesy. Cheesy, super. So yung mga samgyupsal natin dyan, yung mga samgyupsal restaurant natin dyan, nauuso na yung, you dip your samgyupsal meat yung sa cheese, and then you construct your, yung lettuce, you put in everything there, and then you dip it in the cheese. This one is already baked on top ng cheese natin. That is so meaty and cheesy-licious. Ha? May bagong word kayo, cheesy-licious. Let's taste it again. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Guys, this is really perfect for a barkada treat, or even when you do potluck sa mga offices. This is ready to eat. Alright. So kinuha ko yung mga natin, mga samgyupsal meat natin, put it on our last taste test try. Para sa akin, itong dish na to ay bago na na-introduce because we all know now about yung mga sushi pans, baked maki pans, mga ganyan. But this one, again, it's their counterpart for the Korean food. This is Cheesy-Baked Samgyupsal Kimchi Rice. Oh man. Let's taste it again. Once again, we would like to thank Urban Kimchi for sending us this, amazing new dish for us. This is in collaboration with RC Samgyupsal. If you check out their fan page, guys, they still have a lot of dishes to offer. So meron silang yung mga noodles. They also have side dishes, other meat products na pang samgyupsal. If you have time, please do check them out. Give them a thumbs up. Let's support this kind of businesses who wants to introduce their products to us, diba? So once again, guys, I would like to thank you for watching our vlog. If you are interested to know more about this dish, make sure to check out Urban Kimchi or RC Samgyupsal. They have collaborated to come up with this amazing new dish for me. And also, guys, make sure to show support with this new startup businesses. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share it with your friends. Any reaction that you show to us in this vlog is highly appreciated. So Thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga. As I always do, I'm gonna share this with my family and hope to see you on our next video. Peace out. Alright, there you go. JM, kamusta?
Okay lang, okay lang.
Kamusta itong first picture ng sir?
Okay ka, sir. Daming order.
Okay, so for now, ano yung product natin?
For now,
Mukhang
sir,
nag-improve si kimchi.
oh yun, dahil nung Father's Day, sir, marami ding sumuporta sa bago namin product.
Okay.
Nag-incorporate ako ng baked samgyupsal. So,
Baked Samgyupsal.
Baked samgyupsal.
Parang bago yun ah.
Parang, siyempre, dahil marami ding baked sushi.
Yes,
Pero,
yes.
Since ako, Korean yung ginagamit ko product.
Yes.
Nag-incorporate ako ng Korean.
Alright. Thank you, Sir JM.
Thank you.
So, UrbanKimchi yan po, RC Samgyupsal. Ano ba ni RC Samgyupsal? Hindi mo rin? Kaya mo rin? Okay. Magkano yan, sir?
Bali ito, sir, 450, tapos may kasama ng dalawang seaweed.
450.
Yes, sir.
Mura yan eh.
Tapos kimchi rice siya, sir. Hindi lang siya plain rice.
Okay. Kimchi rice. Alright.
Thank you.
Sige po.
Sir, nagkagawa ko na rin.
Thank you.